Hi guys, good morning from Bali. Hunty and I have just woken up and we've both woken up starving. So we're gonna go find somewhere healthy to have breakfast, and then we thought we would take you guys with us today as we explore Uluwatu. Let's get going. So we're just at this beautiful restaurant called the Loft, and we've just ordered some breakfast, something healthy, because later on we are going to this gorgeous cliffside beach club, I guess. I guess it's not really a beach club if it's on a cliff, but you know what I mean. So we'll be taking you guys with us, doing a bit of a what I eat in a day, and showing you guys what we get up to. It's so beautiful here, and this is the cutest restaurant. I'll show you guys what I got. I just got a little vegan bowl. Oop, there goes the corn and a fly. It has chickpeas and tempeh and some cauliflower rice and avocado. So it looks like the perfect meal to fuel me for the day. And with that being said, we're gonna dig in, eat our breakfast, and we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. So we just got back from breakfast and the food was so good. I honestly can't wait to go back there for another meal. It was delicious and really clean, really healthy. And we were going to get going right away to the Elka Brown beach club, but it's a little bit rainy and overcast. So instead I'm thinking maybe I'll film a workout for you guys. And yeah, let's break a sweat and then, we can go party after, hopefully, if it's not torrential downpour. Let's get started. I am sweating. That was the perfect full body workout, and really gets your heart rate up, really gets a sweat going. So I filmed the whole thing, and you can do the follow along full length workout video with me, and I'll link it above. And I think you guys are gonna love it. I am dripping in sweat. Yeah, but now we're thinking we should probably get a move on, get ready to go party for the afternoon and have some delicious, yummy lunch and dinner. And we'll take you guys with us, show you what we eat. It's so funny. We've just gotten to Elka Brown, and I've been here before on a sunny day, and it's a totally different vibe. It's a bit windy, but it's fine. Ever since I did my shamanic healing a few vlogs back, nothing phases me. I'm a whole new person, just so zen about this whole thing. In the past, it might have bugged me, but you can't change the weather. So we're still going to have some drinks, and I think we'll have to change our plans and go somewhere inside for dinner. It may or may not storm. And we're definitely not going to be getting the infinity pool selfies today. Finally stopped raining, so we came to this place called Ulu Cliffhouse, and It is so beautiful here at night. I know that we like need to come back here in the day and spend a day here by the pool because it is just so stunning. And it's turned into like this really beautiful tropical night. So I'm really happy that we braved it out through the rain tonight. We didn't just stay in the hotel room. We're always looking for the bright side and everything. Yeah, but we're just going to have a nice romantic dinner, a date night, the two of us. We have a few nights before a few of our friends get here. So just going to enjoy each other's company, order some ceviche, get some skinny margaritas, and enjoy the rest of the night. This is just like, I can't get over how beautiful it is here. It's this pretty at night. I can't wait to see it in the day. As soon as it stopped raining, we decided to come here for dinner and just ordered some of the ceviche and the corn and, of course, spicy margaritas, skinny. But for our second round, we thought we would do like a DIY skinny coconut margarita because they weren't on the menu. So we decided to get Don Julio Blanco on ice, and then a shot of Malibu, lots of lime. They also have a margarita here with turmeric, which is so anti-inflammatory. When we come here for like partying in a bikini, I'll definitely get that one. Put in the lime, and then just a splash of soda. See how it is. Oh my God, it's actually incredible. I shouldn't have acted so surprised. I should have like played it off like I knew it would be good. It's really good. Yeah, so we're going to enjoy our dinner and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for hanging out with us today.